Hey, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're introducing Jonard'S latest innovation, the PD-KRONE Insertion Tool with sensor. Designed specifically for professionals working with KRONE termination blocks, this tool combines precision, durability, and enhanced functionality to streamline your network installations. Crafted with a comfortable grip and balanced weight, the PD-KRONE ensures ease of use during extended periods. Here are some key specs. Adjustable on-off settings for punching down wires with or without cutting them. The integrated sensor provides immediate feedback upon successful wire insertion, eliminating guesswork and ensuring secure connections every time. It's designed for KRONE and ADC LSA Plus terminations on keystone jacks and patch panels. And it comes equipped with a built-in hook and spudger, making wire removal and block adjustments straightforward and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the Jonard'S Tools PD-KRONE Insertion Tool with sensor is an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Its innovative features and user-friendly design make network installations more efficient and reliable. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.